North Huron Blyth Station. Please respond at 82521 Allborough Line between Hullett, McKillop Road and Blyth Road. You're responding for a skid steer on fire, smoke and flames visible, barn 20 feet away. Again, responding for a skid steer on fire, smoke and flames at 82521 Allborough Line. Time of first page is 11:55:10. Attention North Huron Blyth Station. Please respond at 82521 Allborough Line between Hullett, McKillop Road and Blyth Road. You're responding for a skid steer bobcat on fire. Smoke and flames are visible. There is a barn 20 feet away. Again, that's 82521 Allborough Line for a skid steer on fire. Smoke and flames visible. Time of second page is 11:56:23. Blyth Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Car 3 acknowledges the page.
That's Roger, car 3. You're acknowledging page at 11:56:53.
Car 3, call Bravo. Go ahead, Bravo, car 3. You want us to put tank 4 on the road to start with? Yeah, definitely, because I'm the only person here right now. Bravo, if you got manpower, roll engine 1. Yeah, roger that. Car 3, car 2. Go ahead, car 2.
I'll respond directly to the hall and bring whatever apparatus you require once you're on scene.
Confirm that.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron tank 4 responding, Bravo +1 belted.
That's Roger, tank 4. You're responding Bravo +1 belted at 1200 hours.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding. Car 3, Foxtrot +2 belted.
Roger that, engine 6. You're responding par 3, Foxtrot +2 belted at 12:01:48.
Fire dispatch, show tank 8 responding, 1 firefighter belted. Fire dispatch, call North Huron engine 1.
12:02:48.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show engine 1 responding out of the Wingham station, 4 firefighters belted.
That's Roger, North Huron engine 1. You're responding from Wingham Station, 4 firefighters belted at 12:03:26.
Fire dispatch, call tank 9.
Go ahead, tank 9.
Responding, 1 belted.
Roger that, tank 9. You're responding with 1 belted at 12:05:51.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Go ahead, engine 6.
You can show engine 6 arriving scene. Car 3 will be command and mobile. No smoke showing at this time.
That's Roger, engine 6. You're arriving on scene. Car 3 is command and mobile. No smoke showing at this time. 12:06:32.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, we do have a skid steer on fire approximately 20 feet off the barn wall.
That's Roger, command. Skid steer on fire 20 feet off barn wall at 12:07:57.
Dispatch, can mark car 2 arriving scene Oswald.
That's Roger, car 2, you're on scene at 12:08:29.
Tank 9, car 2, just hold at the road for now.
Tank 9, hold on road. All other responding units, you can just stage at the road for right now. Fire dispatch, Tank 9 on scene.
That's Roger, tank 9, you're on scene at 12:11:05.
Engine 6, shut that line down. Engine 6, you can charge that line. Fire dispatch, you can show agent applied.
Roger that, agent applied, it's 12:11:56.
Engine 1, tank 4, you can downgrade to code 2. Engine 1, tank 4, you can stand down or return to Blythe Station, or to turn to Wingham Station.
Roger that, command. Tank 4, engine 1 can stand down.
And fire dispatch copies, engine 1 standing down, 12:14:53.
Dispatch command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show fire under control at this point.
Roger that, fire under control, it's 12:15:29.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 2.
Command, tank 9. This is tank 9. Tank 9, you can return to Blythe Station.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2.
Car 2 is clear to see.
That's Roger, car 2, I copy, you're clearing scene, 12:20:06.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show lost stop, and you also can show batteries being disconnected from the unit.
Roger, command, I copy, you have a lost stop at your location, batteries being disconnected, 12:23:13.
Engine 6 command.
Go ahead, command.
Engine 6, we're just going to let this sit for a minute, and then we'll give her another good soaking. You can send that firefighter back down here. He doesn't need air. He doesn't need to be on air.
Roger that. Come in, engine 6.
Go ahead, engine 6, command.
Half tank of water.
Confirm that. Fire dispatch, this is tank 9.
Go ahead, tank 9.
Bank at station, back in service.
That's Roger, tank 9, you're back at station, back in service at 12:32:28.
Engine 6, command.
Go ahead, command, engine 6.
6, you can shut down.
Roger that, shut down.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8, clearing scene, returning to Blythe Station.
Roger that, Tank 8, you're clear returning to Blythe Station. It's 12:39:04.
Fire dispatch, tank 4.
Go ahead.
You can show tank 4 back at the hull, back in service.
That's Roger, Tank 4, you're back at all, back in service. Time now, 12:41.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
Dispatch, we're going to terminate this call. It's been left with the farm owner. All returning units are returned, or all units are returned to Blythe Station.
Roger that, Command. The call's been terminated. Property's been turned back over to the farm owner, and all units are returning at 12:44:54.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Dispatch, could you put us back in service and download that call, please?
Roger that, you're back in service. It's 13:05:54. Have a good night.